guys, checking the bee swarm event stock. Let's see here. Let's check. There is a flower seed, and I'm gonna check the seeds too. Oh, it just refactored. Let's check it. Let's check. There's a cactus and there's only cactus. I'm gonna buy this cactus. Wait, guys, I'm gonna wait. Minutes here. I'm gonna pause it. So guys, the swarm event has started. I'm gonna check the bee. Okay. Let's check. There's a bee egg. And flower seed. Okay guys. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna finish it now. I'm Sinks Gaming, and I'm out. And make sure to like and subscribe on my account.